So in my last video, I picked up a Chinese, a wasp, get out of here. I picked up a Chinese made rock grapple bucket for my skid steer and did a little tiny bit of work, like 20 minutes. I found one fitting that was leaking. It's supposed to have a crush washer on the top and the bottom of this particular fitting. Banjo bolt, is it? Anyways, one of the cylinders was missing one. I found a place right down the road that says they have an assortment, so I'm gonna take it off, take it in there and see if we can get it fixed up. And once we do that, we're gonna get busy clearing out a whole bunch of debris and cleaning up a bunch of dead trees. This is the connection that's leaking, and I'm not sure how well it shows up, but there's a brass washer here. It's missing here. All the other cylinders do have it, so I'm gonna take that off and see if I can get a replacement. I've worked with hydraulic fluid quite a bit, and I don't love it on my hands. Oh boy, she's gushing. Okay. Oh, this one's got a rubber gasket on it too. I'm gonna bring this whole thing with me. Cover this up to keep it clean. That'll be good enough for now. Okay, so there's a place just down the road. I'm gonna take this in. We'll see if we can find something that'll work. And since this isn't a very big part, I say we take the motorbike. This is a heavily modified DR650. It's a 2017. Done a lot of work to it. It's fun. All right, let's go see if they have it. All right, so I got one, but it doesn't have the rubber seal. It's just a copper crush washer. And they gave it to me for free, so we'll give that a shot. Actually, there's one more place that's like one block that way. I'm gonna see if by chance they have ones with rubber. Okay, so this kind of had me by surprise. This kid's riding an e-bike in excess of the speed limit with just a bicycle helmet on. I think these e-bikes are getting a little out of control. He kept looking over at me as if he wanted to race, but I was doing the speed limit. Man, I love motorbikes. All right, so the first place gave me a copper crush washer for free. The second place didn't have any of the washers that have this rubber O-ring. I'm hoping that a copper crush washer will work. I'm gonna put this one with the rubber O-ring on the bottom, and then I'll put this one on the top. But what was up with that kid on the e-bike? I mean, he was hauling, he was doing 40 kilometers an hour on the road. Kind of got this I don't care attitude, a little bit punky, but he's riding his bike on the street. That throttle therapy, it's good for you. Anyways, let's go get this swapped out. I mean, we should know fairly quick if this is gonna work or not. There. I'm probably gonna wanna put some shorter hoses on here. These are a little bit long. So far they haven't gone in the way though, but. Well, that kind of stinks. It's leaking still. Oh, stinker doodles. Well, I suppose what I'm gonna have to do is go to a hydraulic shop and see if I can get one of those seals, but that's gonna have to wait till next week. All right, so I actually jumped on Amazon. I got a 378 piece set of bonded sealing washers. So it's $37, and it's metric sizing. So that's a 16 millimeter. This seems to be the right one, and I think these are actually going to work. So it is like brutally hot out right now, 33 degrees, but let's go see if putting these on will help out. I hope that works.
Now, before I could actually get to work with the grapple bucket, I wanted to make a little access to where most of the trees were down, kind of through this, what used to be an irrigation canal. And I've been working on a little roadway. I filled in the canal with a little dirt bridge, and then I just kind of want to make this a little smoother so that I don't have to go all the way around the house, all the way around the barn, and then back to the other side of this fence. So this little roadway here I'm putting in is probably going to save me, I would say, 10 hours in the course of the work that I have to do. But with that taken care of, let's see if the bucket works. Well, I'm happy to report that indeed those rubber bonded sealing washers were just what were needed. Nice that I have extras on hand as well. Who knows how many of these are going to give out, but this grapple bucket is working really well. And we've also got a whole bunch of garbage behind the shop that I'd shown in the previous video. And so that's a lot of what I'm picking up here. Just doing trip after trip, getting rid of debris and stuff that's been around the house. And I just want it gone. I don't want to look at it. I want to go to the back of my shop and have it be nice and clean and orderly. So we'll keep you guys posted as to how well this little Chinese grapple bucket works. But I've got about 4 hours on it so far, and I'm actually really impressed with how strong it is. It doesn't flex nearly as much as I was expecting it to. And for a lot of branches and stuff, I mean, it just clamps down, almost too much clamping force. Sometimes you gotta be careful, actually cut trees in half when I'm grabbing them when I've got a whole bundle, but I'm happy with this. It's gonna save me a lot of time, and it's good to get things done, get things cleaned up. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.